Okay, Dan, this is for Sprint 8, I want to say. So for Sprint 8, um, let's see here. New demo, right? So that's easier to show you. Here it is. Basically, SSID, password, and user ID. This is just a basic PHP of like what the Pi should transmit on its Wi-Fi and what the user should find as soon as they like you log on to the Pi Wi-Fi. This should be like locked too, so you can't shouldn't be able to change the URL, or else it would just redirect you. So let's just put yeet yeet and yeet. So basically takes these three and just takes it to a new page that's gonna do the actual transmission. So as you see, the URL changed, and then from there, that URL file is gonna like just take the thing from the Pi and just like scrape it, I guess. So we back to this here. Setting up, no, not that one. Setting up a Raspberry Pi as an access point in a standalone network, a NAT. So this is the stuff I was working on before the Pi stuff got removed. I've erased. Oof. But now that there's like not much to do in the GAN like anymore, like we're pretty much closing up. Just decided to get back and try and do this because like it is like one of the core features that I really want to have in the Pi. But yeah, I'm still following most of these things. I set up I set it to channel 6. I don't know. It shouldn't make a difference really. But I guess that's it for the demo. GitHub check-in. Let's see. Since it's just like the web page, we don't want to do that. I went from this to basically a bunch of this. So here's the CSS basically. It's just like, hey, we want a background image. So there's your background image. And then change the font a little with the title so like you can actually see, you know, like welcome to Jesus and what you should do. And I added another button, this one for the user ID, because our Firebase is storing user information in accordance to the user ID. So it can't just be like, hey, one gigantic file for everyone. Um, oh, this should be var 3 as well. Yeah, here's like the path of what it should like, what should execute, like where the stuff should go to. Let's see here. So time for the Gantt checking workload timesheet thing. So, let's see. Right. Yeah. So this one was part of the oh my the Pi, the NAT server thing, NAT broadcasting the AP, and this part here was for the website. It's basically just so the website took me a bit because I deleted all the stuff I was using to host, like localhost and all that. So yeah, had to redo all that, change some msconfig stuff because my permissions were wrong, and then I had to relearn some CSS, which is basically just a couple Google's um, things. But yeah, that's what I did for this sprint, and yeah, I guess that's just it.